Good morning students, welcome to your SST class. So children, today we are going to start our chapter number 5, that is the Northern Plains. So children, in this map you can see the Northern Plains are vast and the fertile plains that cover most of the northern and eastern India. They stretch across the state of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and the Assam. These are vast plains formed by the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Children, and these northern plains are one of the most thickly populated part of the world because of the fertile and the flat land have made the region ideal for the growth of settlement. This northern plains can be divided into three parts. The number 1 is the Satluj basin, number 2 the Ganga basin, number 3 the Brahmaputra basin. Children, with the help of the slides in the brief we are going to discuss each basin. So let's have a look. The northern plains have three important rivers, the Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. They divide the plains into three rivers. A river basin is an area watered by a river and its tributaries. The three river basins in India are Satluj River Basin, Ganga River Basin, Brahmaputra River Basin. Punjab and Haryana lie in the Satluj Basin. The Bhakra Dam has built on the Satluj River. The Ganga River originated as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayan mountains. It flows at the high speed from the mountain slopes It joined the river Mandakini and Alaknanda. These three rivers combine to form the Ganga. The Ganga enters the northern plains from near Rishikesh. The Yamuna river, which is mainly tributary of the Ganga, also starts from the Himalayas. There are a number of rivers which flow from Himalayas and join the main stream of the Ganga. These include the Gangara, Gomti, Gandhak and Kosi. The Yamuna joins Ganga at a place near Allahabad. This place is called Sangam. There is another tributary Son that joins the Ganga near Patna. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. After reaching West Bengal, it diverted towards south and split into several branches. Many of them join the Brahmaputra river after passing through Bangladesh, our neighboring country. In West Bengal, the Ganga flows slowly and split into two branches, the Hooghly and the Padma. The branch of the Ganga in Bangladesh is known as Padma. The Hooghly is the main branch of the Ganga in India. It flows through West Bengal, Kolkata, and the capital of West Bengal is situated on the bank of the Hooghly. Children, I hope you have understood about the basins. So children, the basin is an area drained by the river and its tributaries. Okay children, so these are the three different basins which are in the northern plains. Now children, we are going to start with a new topic, that is the life in the northern plains. Yes children, as you all know that northern plains consist of many states which I have earlier told you, the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Now children, we are going to study about the occupations. Yes, in the earlier chapter, the northern mountains, I have told you about the occupation. Occupation is a job or the profession. Yes children, so let's start with the occupation. Agriculture and industry are two important occupations of the people living here. Farmers grow rice, wheat, pulses, sugarcane, fruits and vegetable. Punjab is the largest producer of wheat in India. Rice is mainly grown in the hot and wet region of West Bengal and Bihar. Main industries in this region are sugarcane, automobiles part, textile and heavy machinery. Animal husbandry and dairy farming are also important activities. Now we are moving to the next topic, that is the cities. Yes, what are all the cities in the northern plains? Many cities lie in the northern plains. They are Chandigarh, Amritsar, Delhi, Meerut, Agra, Aligarh, Varanasi, Bareilly, Lucknow, Allahabad, Patna, Kolkata and Guwahati. Now children, we are going to do the next topic, that is the culture and art. What is the different types of culture and art the northern plains are having? Northern plains enjoy a rich and varied culture. Each state has its own special food, traditional clothes, festivals and style of art, dance and music. Now children, the next we have the food. Yes, as you all know that northern plain is famous for its foods, having the different types of foods. Let's have a look of the foods what the northern plains people used to eat. People in northern plains eat a wide variety of food. Wheat is the main cereal eaten in the northern and western parts. In Bengal and Assam, rice and fish is widely consumed. Shown here are the some images. The vegetarian thali with rice, chapati, dal and paneer, kebabs, a meat-based dish common in Uttar Pradesh, litti, a traditional food in Bihar. Now children, the next one is the languages. यानी कि what all the languages किस भाषा में बात करते हैं. Main language of northern India is Hindi. Punjab people spoke Punjabi. West Bengal people speaks Bangla. Assam people speak Asmi. Now the next is the clothing. Yes, every state have the different clothing, such as the women of Punjab and Haryana traditionally wear salwar kurta in ghagra choli with dupatta. Sari is the most popular in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. The traditional wear of men is kurta and pajama or dhoti. The dhoti is tied in different ways in different states. Now children, the next one is the festivals. Yes, in the northern plains, many festivals are celebrated. So let's have a look. Diwali, Dussehra, Holi, Eid and Christmas are widely celebrated in this region. Guru Parv and Baisakhi are special festival of Punjab. Chhath in Bihar, Durga Puja in Bengal and Bihu is in Assam are important festivals. Now the last one is the handicrafts. Yes, what are the handicrafts of the northern plains? Madhubani, painting from Mithila region of Bihar. Terracotta horse from Bisenpur in West Bengal. Chikankari embroidery of Lucknow. Fulkari embroidery of Punjab. So children, I hope you have understood about the chapter Northern Plains. So children, go through the chapter, read the chapter 2 times, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.